있어요? 나오시겠죠?
네, 사진 찍어주세요.
Ba't parang ang bilis?
오케이, 자.
Guys, hindi tayo kita ka
와우.
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 B2B와 함께하는 꿈 드디어 이루어졌다. 와. 우리가 드림스 컴 트루. 자. What?
어이.
Ay, hindi na pa
셋넷 기대에 실려냈던 그 멜로디
Oh no, guys! Oh, yeah! 필리핀 멜로디 여러분들, 너무 사랑하는 필리핀 멜로디.
Dream a dream come true Was Club Blue Ocean in Manila
다 같이.
말아닌가요
The journey of B2B and Melody over the years has been full of memories. There are Melody who grew up with B2B and there are Melody who are new to the family. And wherever life takes us, B2B will always have a special place in our hearts.
B2B has been the anchor of my resilience during my toughest times. B2B for me is my everything. They're my hope.
B2B are like the stars in autumn's dusk and our flight is the stars for hope is bright.
I love B2B because they make my heart happy. It has you
와우!
happy.
B2B is my safe haven. B2B is my safe place. I love B2B because they have been my comfort and my companion in my mental health journey as I struggle with an anxiety disorder.
Inspiration keeps me going every single day.
B2B is Melody's solace and my personal inspiration. Finding B2B.
B2B is a bridge of hope and dreams. B2B is a promise to give you.
B2B is our stars. They give life to our dark times.